we'll show you how to use our GluNEO Pet blood glucose monitoring system. This video is divided into 5 sections. GluNEO Pet blood glucose monitoring system contains GluNEO Pet meter, test strips, lancing device, lancet, instruction for use, carrying case, and batteries. Component availability varies by set. Should any item be found damaged, please refrain from using it and contact our customer service for a replacement. The control solution helps verify the accuracy of your GluNEO Pet device and test strips. While not included in the set, it's a helpful tool to ensure optimal performance. You can purchase it anytime through our website. 4 modes of display. First, let me help you distinguish the modes as shown on the LCD display. Standby mode is when the screen is off. Measurement mode indicates the status of blood glucose measurement. Memory mode enables the retrieval of stored measurement results. Setting mode provides a state in which you can change the settings of the meter. For more details, please refer to the Setting Mode section in the instruction manual. Press and release the power button to toggle between standby mode and memory mode. When the screen is on, press and hold the button for at least 3 seconds to enter setting mode. In setting mode, press and release the button to select an option and move to the next setup step. To save your options in setting mode, press and hold the button for at least 3 seconds. This will also return the device to standby mode. Press and release either the left or right button. This action will display blood glucose measurement results or an average measured value in memory mode. Performing your test. Insert the test strip into the meter. Make sure that the contact terminal of the test strip is facing upward and insert it all the way. When the test strip is inserted, the screen turns on and the calibration code is displayed. Make sure that the calibration code displayed on the screen matches the calibration code printed on the bottle of the test strip. When the calibration code disappears and the blood injection symbol flashes, species is displayed. If press and hold the right button for 3 seconds, the species to be tested will change with beep sound. Then, collect blood from the test site. Let me show you how to use a lancing device and lancet to obtain suitable blood samples. Twist off the end cap of the lancing device. Next, insert a lancet into the lancet holder. Twist the lancet protective cover until it separates from the lancet. Save the protective cover for removal and disposal of used lancet. Adjust the depth of puncture setting. Pull the caulking handle out until a click is heard. Press the lancing device firmly against test site to be lanced. Press the release button. Place the blood collection site close to the blood inlet so that the collected blood flows into the blood inlet on the test strip. Do not remove the blood collection site until you hear a beep sound. After the beeping sound, the test will start automatically and your test result will appear in 5 seconds. It will begin counting down from 5 to 1 second on the LCD display window. The LCD window will show you the result of your blood glucose level, species, and time. After the glucose measurement displays, set the PET status. This function is unavailable if the screen turns off by strip removal or mode button press post-measurement. Press left or right buttons to view and select the PET status, then confirm with the mode button. Remove end cap and use the saved lancet protective cover to recap lancet. Push forward the ejector to dispose of the used lancet in appropriate bottle. Let's look at how to remove a used strip. After viewing the blood glucose result, use the ejection slide to remove the test strip without pulling it by hand. Avoid pushing too hard to prevent malfunction. Dispose of the used strip safely, as it may be biohazardous. Check local guidelines for proper disposal. Let's discover how to discharge lancet. After checking glucose levels, insert the lancet from the device into the protective cap. Pull back the loading handle of the lancing device and slide the removal button forward to remove the lancet. Let's learn how to review your results. After blood glucose measurement, results appear on the meter screen within 20 to 600 milligrams per deciliter, 1.1 to 33.3 millimoles per liter. Readings below 20 milligrams per deciliter show as low and above 600 milligrams per deciliter as high. If low or high appears, remeasure. If the blood glucose measurement resulting low or high persists, or if you have symptoms that are different from the usual, consult a veterinarian immediately. Blood glucose results can show in milligram per deciliter or millimoles per liter based on local norms. Wrong units may mislead and cause incorrect readings. If unsure about the units, consult your veterinarian. For a detailed explanation of icons and additional features of your glucose meter, please refer to the instruction manual. The GluNEO Pet meter can wirelessly connect to mobile devices using Bluetooth. Pair your meter with the GluNEO Pet mobile app to sync your results. Please refer to the user manual provided by the app for more information on how to use the app. Thank you for choosing GluNEO Pet Blood Glucose Monitoring System.